This is a demonstration of a Startforce project that integrates Dropbox, Microsoft Office, and Google Docs into a web desktop interface. It demonstrates that it is possible to have a seamless integration experience between these products, all within a web browser. First, let me show you an example of a Dropbox desktop. As you can see here, the interface looks similar to a traditional Windows environment. You have icons on your desktop and in your File Explorer. You can right-click items to reveal a context menu. This should all seem pretty familiar to someone who's used a computer before. Here, I'm opening the Apps menu, which is similar to the Start menu in Windows. Under the Programs menu, you can see a list of programs that I can use. I also have a menu for web apps that I frequently use. Now, let me show you what my Dropbox looks like in a separate tab. After logging in, you can see the files and folders in my Dropbox. Going back to my Dropbox desktop, I can see the exact same files and folders in File Explorer, viewable in the traditional Windows style. On my Dropbox desktop, I have a picture of my friends. I'm going to move this picture by dragging and dropping it into my Pictures folder in File Explorer. Now, if I go back to Dropbox and hit refresh, you'll see that this file has also been moved here. In my Dropbox Documents folder, I have some documents and spreadsheets here that I store in the Dropbox cloud. With my Dropbox desktop, I can leverage Windows applications so I can open and edit these documents right inside my browser. I will prove that the changes have been saved by downloading the file off Dropbox and opening it in Word on my local computer. And there's the change. That's pretty cool. This functionality of launching Microsoft Office products inside your browser requires Microsoft TS-Cal licenses and a Windows server to deliver the applications. To avoid the extra cost of these licenses, we can leverage Google Docs. Here's my Google Docs. Google Docs does not allow me to drag and drop files to my local PC. However, this is made possible with my Dropbox desktop. In File Explorer, Google Docs appears as a node, and I can browse my documents right here. I can take this document from Dropbox that I edited in Microsoft Word and drag it to my Google Docs. Now I can open it right here using the Google Docs app. Now that is cool. Finally, on my Dropbox desktop, I have some icons for popular web apps that I like to use. For example, I can open Pandora and listen to music. Or I can launch Hulu and watch my favorite TV shows. All of this can be done with one seamless experience on a Dropbox desktop. And that concludes the demonstration. Thanks for watching. Dropbox Desktop, brought to you by Startforce.